There are so many AI tools out there these days, and it feels like every app has AI baked in. Notion AI brings powerful automation, calendar syncing, and template creation right inside your workspace. No more tab hopping. So what is Notion AI? It's an add-on inside your Notion workspaces that uses GPT-4 to let you chat, search, generate, and analyze, all without leaving your docs. It even scans your Notion calendar, connected Slack channels, and Drive folders. Notion AI costs $10 bill per member per month if you pay annually, or $12 bill monthly. If you're already deep in other AI tools, consider whether having everything in one place, calendar, templates, automations, is worth the extra spend. First up, the chat assistant. Hit Ctrl+Shift+J if you have the desktop app downloaded, or Ctrl+J if you're using a browser. You can also click the Notion AI icon in your sidebar for the same thing. Ask anything. Show me today's meetings or summarize last week's tasks. It pulls from your Notion calendar and workspace pages and even cites which pages it scanned. No more copying meeting notes into ChatGPT. Just ask here and get an instant reply. You can pin the chat as a floating window on Mac so it follows you as you work in other apps. Perfect if you're writing emails and need on-the-fly brainstorming. Next, in-page commands. Type AI anywhere to invoke AI blocks. For example, AI write a Notion tutorial instantly drafts a full outline with headings, bullet points, and a suggested intro. Hit insert, then highlight any paragraph and click Ask AI to say, make it shorter, please, or use simpler language. You can also tell it to add a table of features with pros and cons, and it will generate a formatted Notion table right in line. This /command workflow means you never leave your page. No copy pasting, no context switching. Feature 3. AI properties inside databases. Create an inline database, click plus, and then add a property, and choose one of 4 AI types. AI summary auto-summarizes page content. AI keywords generates multi-select tags. AI translation localizes titles or content, say to Korean. And finally, AI custom autofill lets you define your own prompt, like list key takeaways in bullets. So I added a row for sprint review, then clicked keywords, generate. Instantly, I get tags like status update, blockers, next steps, then summary. Generate gives me a 2-sentence overview of the page. Feature 4. AI blocks in templates. Use .ai block to save any prompt, like extract action items. Drop that block into a database template and every new entry runs that prompt automatically. For example, in a meeting notes template, my AI block scrapes the page and lists action items with assignees. Hit Create New and boom, consistent output across every note. You can update that block at any time, change the wording, add context, and all future entries adapt without rebuilding. Feature 5. Search across connected apps. Click the Notion AI icon, go to Sources and add Slack, Google Drive, Jira, GitHub, you name it. Now, search your entire project history, find John's last design feedback, or show me all tickets with priority high. It's a single search box for your whole workflow. Feature 6 is brand new, AI-built databases. Type database full page and pick build with AI. Describe your needs. Create a content calendar with date, topic, status, and links. Hit enter and Notion AI spins up a complete database, columns, icons, even sample entries. Customize on the fly, then click continue to add views like Kanban or calendar. You've just built a Notion calendar without lifting a finger. Feature 7. Notion Mail. Draft emails with Ask AI. Just type your subject and key points and you get a polished email. Then use Auto Label to categorize incoming mail by topic or priority. Your inbox becomes another searchable Notion database. So, is Notion AI worth it? There is a learning curve, but once you start living in Notion, planning projects, writing docs, managing a Notion calendar, it can supercharge your productivity. You get unified AI tools, Notion templates you can generate and refine in seconds, and powerful Notion automation baked in. Of course, I don't see its chatbot replacing the likes of ChatGPT, but still. What have you automated with Notion? Drop a comment below for all the first-timers out there. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.